love this truck. Nothing beats a carburetor on an LS. Well, maybe like a big block Hemi or big block Chevy. Small block Chevys also sound really good on carburetors. Especially if you get them right and they fucking whack, whack, whack. All right, let's cover it up. All right, so I'm taking a break from Snow Badger for a little bit because this ECU problem and not starting is aggravating me. So I'm gonna work on the S10 truck out there. If you've been following along, I need to replace the fuel pump, which I'm doing today. So originally had a Holley blue pump in it, and now I'm gonna upgrade to a Holley black pump. So I did forget to film what it looked like before, but you guys saw what it looked like before. But now I got everything ran nice. I got the wires all buttoned up real nice. And now we got that Holley black pump in there, nice and secured. So let's go and put the fuse back in and see how, make sure there's no leaks. All right, so it did have a 15 amp fuse, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this 7.5 amp fuse because that's what it calls. Flip this on, see what it sounds like. There it goes. And doesn't look like anything's leaking. Nope. All dry. Yeah. Sounds like it's good to go. Let's check up here. Look at the fuel. Oh wow, that's way fuller than before. And there we got our fuel pressure is good to go. All right, let's start it. Easy peasy, no leaking. Holley black pump ready to go. Right, who knows? Let's see what it's like inside the cab. Because I swore it stuttered. Yeah. Still did it. I think I just gotta clean the oh my goodness. Clean the carb. It sounds a little more snappier. It sure does. All right, I'm gonna button this thing up quick and take it for a little test drive. All right, so going for this cruise, it does sound way better. Like it sounds healthier because I think it's finally getting the fuel it deserves. Like it definitely, and then like responsiveness is still there, and that's nice. So I made it out to the car show so far. Not everybody's in yet. And the truck did amazing. Sprinkling a little bit, but I'll wipe that down then. Well, let's go ahead and see the rest of these cars.
Yes, I'm nothing but a shadow, baby. the shadow of my for myself. Yes, I'm nothing but a shadow, baby. The shadow of my for myself. Since you left me in the darkness and gone to someone else, I tried so hard to find you. I was looking everywhere. I spent all of my money. Now I got no place to stay. Yes, I'm nothing but a shadow, baby. The shadow of my for myself. Since you left me in the darkness and gone to someone else,
If you guys ever come up to Muskegon, you gotta get Hamburger Mikey's. It is so good. Goodbye, my little baby. I wish you all the best. I'm so tired and lonely. I guess
yes, I need some rest. Some nothing but a shadow, baby. The shadow for myself. Since you left me in the darkness and gone to someone else.
Black as night, cold as ice. She left me. She didn't think twice. I tried to stop her. Lord knows that I tried. If a love for me instead. The blues ain't never gonna die. Night is gone, the daylight's here. I'm hurting bad. I'm not thinking clear. I think I'll go out. Go out and take a ride. If a love for me is dead, you know the blues ain't never gonna die, no.
Well, the car show was great. I talked to a lot of people there that like the truck, talked to other people, and the only problem I have so far is now my thermostat isn't working. So I gotta see, the oil pressure's still good, but the thermostat one isn't going up. And I've been driving for quite a bit, and it's only staying at 130. I know it's definitely warm now, but I think this truck is gonna be a good show truck that I want to build and make it look nice and sound nice. So this is going to be awesome. Subscribe if you haven't, because I got a 6-liter I'm going to be building for this thing. Woohoo! Let's go.